Welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to draw a correlation and correlogram by using GraphPad Prism. Let's start. First you have to click XY graph and then enter or import data into a new table, and x-axis is number and y-axis is a single plot. If you have only a single data for y value, you can click here, and if you have replicated value then you have to click here. Okay, in my case I have only one data for each, that means in one replication, that's why I click here, then click create. Okay, now we have to import our data. These are my data set. I'm showing you. You can arrange your data by this way: your parameters name and then the value. Okay, I can copy here and paste. Bear in mind, not in X, it should be in Y. So you can click just here and paste, it will take automatically. So these are my data sheet, different data. Now I want to check in correlation and correlogram. Then you have to click in analysis, and then XY analysis, that is the I'm showing XY analysis, and then correlation. Click here in correlation and then make sure that all parameters are selected here, and if it's okay then just click OK, and then this will come parameters correlation, and then you have to click here compute for every pair of Y data set in correlation matrix. We need correlation matrix, and if you have any missing data then you can click here. As we don't have any missing data, from this you have seen there is no missing data, so we no need to click here. And later it's Pearson correlation because we have all parametric data. So if there is non-parametric data then you can go Spearman correlation, and it will be two-tailed value, 95% confidence is okay. Then create a heat map of the correlation matrix, so you can click here, or is by default it will be here, then click OK. So our graph is ready there. Before going there, I am showing you the p-value, that means the interaction with here x-axis and y-axis. In, for example, dry wet is negatively correlated with ascorbate and positively correlated with glutathione. That's how you can estimate this the correlation between different parameters. This is sample size and also confidence interval. They will show the range of the relationship between these two, between different parameters. So let's write this our correlation correlogram. You can just get there, that will be, you can make it larger. Okay, now it's more visible. Then click here and then okay, I'm showing you side by side. Right, color, you can change the color. For example, largest value here blue, you can make it red if you want, and then it will be, and the smallest value you can make smallest value in which color, in black maybe. The smallest one will be black, but black is not look so nice, so you can go smaller one is green. So the largest value will be the red, and the lowest value or smallest value, negative value, will be green. It's okay, and the middle baseline value is white. You can change it if you want, but it's okay for me. And then we can go graph setting, cell border. As you have seen, there's cell border here. You can change cell border, just click here and apply. There will be no cell border. And then heat map border, if you don't need, just click here and apply. There will be no heat map border. And then titles, you can set the title, show here the title. Yeah, there will be title, or you can take it by just simple clicking here in text and click here, then it will work. We don't need this at this moment. Okay, then labels, right, label is in so auto. Row level left, you can make it right if you want, just apply. They will be in right side, but in right side you can see, so left is okay. Right, you can see the changes. And in case of also column is on top, if you want you can make it underneath, it will be underneath, but top is okay on top. Right, by this way you can change the column and row parameters. And then graphs, if you want to make some gap between vertical, just click here, it will be show some gap between the places. We don't need this, so just click here. And listen, that means this one is in vertical. If you need, you can do it in horizontal, then it will come in horizontal. And if you want you can also change in vertical is okay. Right, by this way you can reshape your correlation and colorimetrics graph. And if everything is okay, then just make okay. And after that you can export in like TF